Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Samsung S25 Ultra ready for game playing. So, as you know, the S25 Ultra is one of the top line phones from Samsung, and here you can basically play games. So let me show you how you can tweak the performance for game playing. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see Advanced Features, tap on this. Now scroll down until you see Game Booster Settings. Tap on this. Now here you need to go ahead and find Game Optimization. As you can see, it's currently set to balanced. However, if you want the most out of your Samsung S25 Ultra when you're playing game, go ahead and choose Performance, and this will basically optimize the game for performance. And there you go guys, that is how to change the game optimization on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.